Hi, let's look at this question together. Jack and Bill had $440 altogether. Bill had $20 more than Jack. When Jack spent one third the amount of money spent by Bill, he had three times as much money as Bill. How much money did Bill spend? So, from the question, we know there is a two-bar model. Okay, so the first thing is Jack and Bill has $440. So you draw two bar and say that they got 440. You also know that Bill has $20 more than Jack. Straight away, we can count or we can calculate how much Bill has and how much Jack have. So in this case, 2u plus 20 will give you 440. So you can solve u to be 210. So which means Jack have 210, Bill will have 230. Okay, next part of the question, he says that when Jack spent one third of the money spent by Bill, he had three times as much money as Bill. So assuming Bill spent three times this amount, or 3p, Jack will spend 1p. But in the end, Jack will have 3u as compared Bill to be 1u. Remember, we already calculated Bill has 230 and Jack has 210 from on top. Okay, and this total add up is 440. Okay, so based on this, straight away I can say is that if you add up 3u plus u, 4u, 3p plus p, 4p, I can say that 4u plus 4p is equal to 440. So divide everybody by 4, I can say u plus p is 110. Next, okay, I take this line and say that u plus 3p is equal to 230. So u plus 3p equal to 30. So if u plus 3p is as good as u plus p plus 2p, the 3p I can split into p plus 2p is equal to 230. And we know that u plus 3p is 110. So we put here 110, 2p is 230. So 2p will be 120 and p is $60. So how much money did Bill spend? Bill spent 3p. So Bill spent 3p. So 3p is equal to 3 times $60 is $180. Okay. So this is the same type of question as you learn in P5 with regards to those two bottles and three bottles equal to how much type of thing. I think some of them call it the parts and unit methods. Hope it helps.